Overspray is a thing of the past with the new Scholle Spray Tan Extraction Fan Kit. This high-performance extraction system is proven to reduce the amount of overspray in your service room, so your business complies with the FDA regulations. What's included? You get a washable filter, you get one reusable filter cover, you also will need a 20 by 20 box fan, which is not included. It also comes with the feet inside the box. The filter's high polymer bonding creates a sponge-like material that will quickly absorb and purify the air of the microparticles of dust, smoke, odors, and most importantly, spray tanning overspray. This durable honeycomb activated carbon cover securely fastens around any standard 20 by 20 box fan for an efficient way in which it can dispense clean airflow into your service room.